Hello, this is just a quick video to show you how to create a report on PLSS to see if you have any gaps in education and economic status. When you are on the main PLSS page, you just go into National Course Calendar and choose PLSS Reports. When you're in reports, you'll have number of options. If you pick learners, you will then see your own program category. I'm gonna pick ESOL just to give you an example. You will not have to do that. You'll just be able to see your own program category, so you will not have to pick anything. The category will be just simply sitting there. The year is a default of 2020, so there is no need of changing anything there either. So what I can see is how many ESOL learners are there altogether on PLSS since the start of 2020. Now, if I want to find out if there is any gaps in economic status or education, I just pick economic status. And just pick one of the options, which is unknown. This way, you will be just left with the learners that do not have economic status entered. Okay, in my case, it's 120. To be able to find out or to identify them, you click on the number. It sometimes does take a moment to react. Okay, that's it. And now PLSS team actually developed something very smart to make it easier for us. If you scroll across, every line here is a person. So you should have 120 lines basically, or 120 rows, I should say. Previously, we would have a number here that we would have to go back and enter it into PLSS. But now we can just go straight into application. So you just can click on go to application of this particular person. Okay. And you can update their economic and education status there. Usually, whenever there is a gap in economic status, there is also a gap in education. So I would look at those together, which means that when you look then at the education report, you should have much less gaps to fill.